Good morning and welcome to your short-term rental bulletin on the 21st of July. So, Greece has spent a year writing the rules for short-lets, and this week it started checking them. So, here's your Tuesday briefing. What's happening in Greece? So, the first inspections under Greece's new operating standards are underway. 1,500 properties selected by the tax authorities are getting electronic notices or emails from the regional tourism services with at least 10 days to submit their full compliance file. And the file is long. Planning documents, liability insurance, and electrical safety certificates, smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, emergency lighting, pest control certification, first aid kit, air conditioning in the bedrooms. If the paperwork checks out, the inspection closes at the desk, but if it doesn't, inspectors will come to the property. Fines reportedly start at €5,000 and climb for some breaches, and some owners say they're being asked for purchase receipts for equipment installed years ago. Registration was phase one. Enforcement is phase two, and it runs on paperwork. So if your compliance file isn't ready to send in 10 days, then it isn't ready. In Greece, compliance just become the document you can be asked to produce. Build the file before the email arrives. That's your briefing today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.